Ever dreamt of running your own retail empire? Maybe you sling handmade jewelry at craft fairs, or perhaps you source vintage finds and give them a second life. Whatever your passion project, the dream can quickly turn into a logistical nightmare if you don't have the right tools. Sure, you can take payments on your phone, but that feels unprofessional. Cash registers are clunky and outdated. What you need is a point-of-sale system, or POS, that's as sleek and modern as your business itself. That's where Shopify POS comes in. Shopify is a huge name in e-commerce, and their POS system seamlessly integrates with your online store, making it a dream for those who want to unify their in-person and digital sales channels. But with any new system, there's a learning curve. So, buckle up, because today we're diving into a crash course on how to use Shopify POS in just 12 easy steps. Step 1. Sign up for Shopify. It's free to try. First things first, you'll need a Shopify account. The good news? Shopify offers a free 14-day trial, so you can test drive the platform and Shopify POS before you commit. Head over to Shopify's website and sign up for an account. This will be the central hub for your entire Shopify experience, so be sure to use an email address and password you'll remember. Step 2. Choose your hardware arsenal. Alright, you've got your Shopify account. Now it's time to outfit your battle station. Shopify POS is compatible with a variety of hardware options, so you can choose what works best for your business. Here are a few things to consider. Tablets. iPads are a popular choice for Shopify POS, offering a sleek and portable solution. Card readers. You'll need a way to accept those sweet credit card payments. Shopify offers a variety of card reader options, so find one that works with your chosen hardware. Receipt printer. While receipts aren't mandatory, they're a nice touch for your customers and can help with returns and exchanges. Again, Shopify offers some great receipt printer options. Step 3. Log in and let's get this party started. With your Shopify account created and your hardware chosen, it's time to log in to Shopify POS for the first time. You can access Shopify POS through the Shopify app on your chosen device, or you can log in through the Shopify web interface. Step 4. Chart your course sales channels. Now that you're logged in, it's time to set up your sales channels. This essentially tells Shopify POS where you'll be making sales. Will it be in your brick-and-mortar store? At a pop-up event? Maybe you'll even be taking orders over the phone. Setting up your sales channels ensures Shopify POS can accurately track your inventory and sales data across all these touchpoints. Step 5. Stock up your virtual shelves. Adding inventory. Here comes the fun part. Adding your amazing products to Shopify POS. This is where you'll enter product details like names, descriptions, prices, and even upload beautiful product photos. You can also categorize your products to make them easier to find later. Adding clear and detailed information will not only make your life easier, but will also create a more professional shopping experience for your customers. Step 6. Import your customer cavalry. Do you have an existing customer list, perhaps from your online store? Great news! Shopify POS allows you to import your customer data, saving you a ton of time and effort. This way, when a familiar face walks through your door, their information will already be in the system, making checkout a breeze. Step 7. Assemble your team, staff profiles, and permissions. If you have a team helping you run your retail empire, you'll want to create staff profiles within Shopify POS. This allows you to assign different permission levels to each staff member. For example, a cashier might only need access to basic sales functionality, while a manager might need the ability to edit product information or access sales reports. Step 8. Fine-tuning the machine. Configure settings. Shopify POS offers a range of settings to customize your experience. Here are a few key areas to explore. Taxes. Ensure you have the correct tax settings configured to comply with local regulations. Receipts. Customize your receipts with your store logo and contact information. Discounts and promotions. Shopify POS allows you to create discounts and promotions to incentivize sales. Step 9. Import customers. Now that your merchandise has been uploaded and is operational, it's time to begin adding clients. Shopify gives you the ability to maintain an extensive customer database with all of your clients' details and generate customer reports to help you better understand your customers. Shopify gives an option for you regardless of whether you need to submit a list of clients or not. You should go to the Customers option in the sidebar of your home screen as soon as possible. You will then be taken to a page with choices for adding new clients. Either add customers, one at a time, or import customers in large quantities. Step 10. Add a payment processor. You must add a payment processor to your Shopify account in order to begin receiving sales, but Shopify makes this process quite simple. Just navigate to your preferences and choose Payments from the list. After that, you can modify your payment preferences. Shopify will select Shopify Payments as your processor by default. To get it going, all you have to do is select Complete Account Setup, where you will provide the remaining details about your company, including your business ID, bank account details, and tax information. Step 11. Choose your hardware. After creating your Shopify account successfully, you'll need to purchase hardware in order to host your point of sale. You will need to provide your own tablet along with a card reader and scanner, or your device's camera, in order to use the Shopify POS app for iOS and Android devices. Alternatively, you can simply tap to pay on your iPhone. Although compatible third-party accessories are a possibility, Shopify also offers reasonably priced, well-reviewed POS terminal and accessory alternatives. Step 12. Log in to your Shopify account. It's time to begin configuring your Shopify POS account from the inside out now that you have created your account and acquired your hardware. Using Shopify.com, you can access your account from any online browser and manage your inventory, view reports, and adjust your overhead settings. Watch the video below to learn how to configure your account and navigate the Shopify POS dashboard. Alternatively, read on for detailed instructions on how to set up and manage your account. For many small businesses, especially those who have a Shopify online store, Shopify is the best point-of-sale system. It is understandable why it is constantly ranked among our top retail point-of-sale systems with its extensive inventory management capabilities, user-friendly checkout software, and abundance of administration options. You now have all the information required to set up Shopify POS and keep enjoying the benefits of your Shopify account thanks to this guide.